Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. This beautiful morning, we had some plantain, which we just observed that it has matured. Even the bird, they've started eating it. So follow me as we want to harvest it. Okay, follow me. Yes. Yeah, viewers, if you could remember, precisely on Christmas Day, we harvested this plantain over here. So we did not cut up the tree because it's giving support to this other plantain. So this is the rope. As you could see, the birds have started eating it. So we are going to bring down this plantain. We are harvesting it. All right. Viewers, before we dive further, I just want to show you something. You see, you remember this leaf. You remember this leaf. This is our pumpkin leaf. Okay, so this pumpkin leaf is very medicinal. Okay, it's vegetable. We have used it to prepare several food and sauces. Okay, so if you have not watched it, go and watch it. So as you could see, these are the flowers. So this is our pumpkin. Okay, you see, this is our pumpkin. Let me don't disturb it. It's growing. Okay, this is our pumpkin. Not just only one, there are other ones. Okay, so these are the flowers for the pumpkin. These are the flowers for the pumpkin. As you could see, so it's about germinating. So this is how they look like. In case you have not come across, you can see another one here. This is bringing out the seed. So I'm going to show you another pumpkin. Just follow me. Be careful. This is another pumpkin. As it's growing. You see, this is a smaller one. This is how it's coming up. That is another one. It's also coming up gradually. That one is with the flower. Okay, so at the right time we'll harvest the pumpkin. Okay, so if you have not watched the video, please, it's on our YouTube channel. So if you have not watched the video, it's on our YouTube channel where we use it to prepare a lot of foods and sauces. Okay, so that is our banana flower. Before I forget, this is our banana flower. You see, so we've also used it to prepare food. Very delicious food. Is on our YouTube channel, banana flower. And this is the banana is coming up. Oops, some birds are trying to make their net over there. So this is the pumpkin. It's just spreading all over, climbing. Okay, so this is it. So follow me. So, beautiful people, it's time to cut off this. But cutting this down, let me cut this. if I don't do this at the earlier stage, we may lose the plantain because of the winds and you know. So that was why the plantain was able to mature to the end. I'm going to tie this rope to probably this pawpaw. Let me harvest it. So I want to bring it down, okay? It's heavy. If I try to cut it from there, it will get shattered on the ground. So yes, it's not in my own reach. Manuela, what's this?
Plantain.
Plantain. We use it to prepare dodo, okay? Philip. All right, shift back. Philip, wait. Eh? Yes, I know it's plantain. Wait. Yes. Okay. This is the time for harvesting. Philip, please shift back. So, beautiful people, this is our harvest, okay? No, this is not banana, this is plantain. No? So, wow, beautiful people, the plantain is huge. So you can see this, the bird have started eating it, so it's a signal for us to harvest it, that is matured. So viewers, I will clean up that place behind the camera. So this morning our coconut is maturing. Let me get some so that we'll eat, okay? It's good in the morning if you can do the therapy, if you can get access to coconut water, use it, drink it to flush down, you know, all this malaria, fever. Coconut water will solve it. So follow me. I want to get some coconuts. Manuela, will you take coconut? All right. Manuela, please don't stay there. Move. Hey, Philip, go back. Okay. So, beautiful people, Philip. So beautiful people, these are our coconuts. Let's peel it off, okay? So this is my special knife or cutlass for coconuts. don't say in my front. Coconut water is very medicinal and very natural. It contains iron, zinc, phosphorus, and magnesium. So, yes. Wow. Manuela, take. Okay? Ladies first. I'm going to give it to Madam. This is it. Okay? Oh, let the kids take. Yeah. Philip likes coconut water. Oh, don't finish it though. Emanuela, there is enough coconut. Don't worry, eh? Okay, Philip, that's enough. Oh yeah, Manuela, take. Wait, Philip. Manuela, take more. Madam of the house. Okay.
This coconut water is very good. Sweet. Philip, don't worry, I'll bring cup for you. This is nice.
Beautiful people. Let me go and do another one. I'll keep this here. It's coming. So we have more coconut. So just, as they will say, we use the water to brush our mouths. Hey. So, gently. Okay. This is it. Ah. There is nature. Nature at its best. Take. Let me do one more. Okay. Hey, Philip.
Don't throw it away.
We'll eat the meat too. If we don't harvest that plantain, the birds, they will keep eating it. Before you know it, they will consume it. That is how they've consumed our pawpaw our pawpaw has gone so high that even with the ladder we can't get there. So I'll look for a different means to be plucking it. We are yet to bring it down because our other pawpaw has not fully matured. When it does, we bring that one down. So, another. Are you in?
Philip.
Okay. Yeah. Drink lots, Philip. It's chilled, Philip. Yeah. Leave that. Drink the water. Drink the water. Okay. So, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching.
Thank you very
Manuela,
much.
say
See
bye
you
bye.
on our next video where we are going to prepare this, how we want to use this plantain.
The plantain, yes. We want to make use of it, okay?
So
see you in our next video. Bye bye.
bye.
Mwah.